Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Hope everybody is doing well. Today, and I guess this weekend, we're going to do a short little overland trip. Disclose the location, but it should be a nice spot. I've been there before. We're going to take the good old Tacoma out. Just got to stop, get some last minute groceries at Wally World, and then grab some gas, and we will be out there. So bring you along for the ride. Well, we are almost there. Just got a little ways to go down this trail and a few other little places. But it'll be interesting to set up camp in the dark. We'll see how that goes. But I'm impressed with these light bars. A couple light pods and a 36-inch in the bumper, and hoping to eventually put one on the roof here soon. But yeah, I'm gonna focus on the trail now, though. But yeah, isn't that cool? Trail back here is definitely overgrown, but that means that no one else is in there, and it'll be perfect for me, and hoping Mike and Eric come out tomorrow. So but I'll have to show you the view in the morning. It's gonna be a little dark to see it tonight, but it's pretty cool from up here. Well, so far we got a nice little fire going. I just knocked it sideways so it wouldn't burn so fast. I know it's kind of hard to see out here, guys. I don't have a big camera, it's just my phone. But, well, that's bright. This will be where I'm sleeping tonight. Just got to organize the rest of it. Oh, crap. I can't put that on YouTube. I have a permit. Don't worry. But, yeah. So, nice little setup here. So, I'll give you a tour tomorrow, which should be a little bit better. But, yeah. Believe it or not, there's actually a lake out there. But I'll show you that in the morning. Be time to hit the hay here soon, I think. Well, it's about time for me to turn in for the night. So yeah, I'm gonna get some sleep. I'm not gonna set an alarm. I'm just gonna wake up whenever the heck I wake up because I got nothing to get up for. So I guess we'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning, everybody. It's like 11 o'clock. I slept really well. It's a lot quieter out here than it is in the city. But I'm not going to show you camp quite yet because I'm not done setting it up. But the plan for today is get some firewood because I didn't bring a whole lot because I didn't really want to wait on the truck a lot going through trails. So I got to find some more firewood. There's a lot of dead trees out here. And then going to put up a few more things and then I'll give you a tour of camp. These are weapons of choice today. Gonna make some breakfast burritos. I know it's noon, but well, I just woke up like 2 hours ago. So some good old burritos there. Sausage, eggs, I'll throw some hash browns in there as well. You can't go wrong with the good old Lowry's. But I'll show you camp quick while that preheats. So we're gonna do a little bit of riding. That's why the dirt bike's with. Got a nice fire pit. Hung a hammock over there, got an okay amount of firewood. We can go through the truck a different time. It's basically just where I sleep, drawer system. You've probably seen a bunch of these on YouTube and on Facebook before. Weed whacker. You'd be surprised how well that works to get rid of this grass, obviously. And then this is the view. It's pretty neat. It's a big lake. I've never seen a boat on here. Honestly, I think we're probably the only ones on this lake. Got some sort of bird over there, and we cut a path down, and I actually started digging in some stairs down there too because you can hear fish jumping at night and stuff. So I think I'm going to throw a weedless lure down there and see if I can catch anything. So, but yeah, kind of off some deserted trail back here. Definitely was not this knockdown before we started coming back here, but I think that's about ready to cook, so I'm gonna cook that quick. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better than just boring eggs like I usually do, so I'm glad I gave that a shot. But time to eat now. Well, just took that thing out for a little rip. Had the GoPro going. I'll dub in some of the clips right after this. Found some good technical trails, and I think I can probably get the truck down, but we will see. But yeah, now we just relax and wait for Mike to get out here because he's coming with his 4Runner. And yeah, we'll just keep right on camping. Then of course I had to give the hammock a go. We're about a half mile away from a makeshift range, as you can tell. I'm not annoyed by it because I'll probably use it later, but these guys have been shooting for a long time. But anyway, yeah, this hammock works pretty well, and it's got a mosquito net that goes over the top, so you could always sleep in this if you needed to. Hopefully it doesn't rain though. Well, time to make some dinner. We do little hot dogs. I'll try toasting the buns, and then I got beans over there that we can fry up. So it's looking good. Turned out to be a really nice day. The sun came out. Got a sorry attempt at a flyer for now. I'll make it better later. But yeah, food. Sweet. I'd say these turned out really well. I'll let them cool a little bit before I give them a taste test because I don't want to burn the heck out of my mouth. I mean, I got a helmet.
Huh? You're holding it kind of, maybe? You ready?
Success!
That worked way better than I thought.
The back's sinking a lot more than the front is, Mike.
And he called me fat,
Yep.
bastard.
Hey, it's just the truth, bro.
Truth hurts, huh?
And the wise words of Lizzo.
No, we got room for you here.
Heck no.
You can have middle.